Delhi, a glimpse into India's capital. Delhi, the beloved capital of our incredible India, is a truly amazing city. It boasts a rich, ancient history, a vibrant culture, and is a thoroughly modern metropolis. Let's delve into some fascinating facts about Delhi. A historical overview. Ancient roots. Legend has it that Delhi is the site of Indraprastha, the capital city of the Pandavas from the Mahabharata era, dating back to approximately 1400 BCE. 7 cities of Delhi. Did you know that Delhi has been built and rebuilt multiple times? It's often referred to as the city of 7 ancient cities, because different rulers established their capitals here, and their imprints are still visible throughout Delhi. Ruled by empires. Delhi has been ruled by numerous powerful empires and dynasties, including the Delhi Sultanate and the Mughal emperors. This is why you'll find so many ancient and beautiful monuments here. British capital. In 1911, the British shifted India's capital from Kolkata to Delhi. This is when New Delhi was meticulously planned and developed, officially becoming the capital in 1931. Post-independence. After India gained independence in 1947, Delhi continued to serve as the capital of the Republic of India. Delhi's geography and climate. Location. Delhi is situated in northern India, bordered by Haryana to its west and south, and Uttar Pradesh to its east. Yamuna River. The sacred Yamuna River flows through Delhi, making its soil very fertile. Delhi Ridge. The Delhi Ridge, a prominent hill range, is part of the Aravalli mountain range. It plays a vital role in keeping the city green. Climate variations. Delhi experiences extremely hot summers, March to June, with temperatures often soaring above 39 ring operator C. Winters, November to February, are short and mild, with dense fog common in January. The city receives good monsoon rainfall from July to September. Earthquake risk. Delhi falls under seismic zone 4, indicating a high risk of major earthquakes. People and demographics. NCR explained, cities surrounding Delhi, such as Ghaziabad, Faridabad, Gurugram, Noida, and Greater Noida, collectively form the National Capital Region, NCR. Population. Delhi NCT is one of India's largest cities. Its estimated population in 2025 is approximately 34.6 million, making it India's largest metropolitan area and the world's second largest city. Density. Delhi is one of the most densely populated cities globally. Literacy rate. Delhi boasts a commendable literacy rate, which is higher than the national average. Sex ratio. The sex ratio in Delhi is slightly skewed, with fewer females compared to males. Religions. While Hinduism is a dominant religion, people of Muslim, Sikh, and Christian faiths also coexist harmoniously. Delhi's culture and lifestyle. Cultural blend. Delhi's culture is unique, showcasing a fascinating blend of ancient traditions and modern trends. This is due to its rich history and the influx of people from all over India. Languages. Hindi is the most widely spoken language, but Punjabi, Urdu, and Bengali are also commonly used. English is also prevalent, especially in professional settings. Arts and crafts. Delhi has a long history of arts and crafts, including intricate jewelry making, miniature Mughal paintings, Zardozi embroidery on textiles, and much more. Foodie paradise. Delhi is a paradise for food lovers. From street food to fine dining restaurants, you'll find it all here. Popular dishes include chole bhature, parathas, kebabs, and various thalis. Festive spirit. All major Indian festivals like Diwali, Holi Eid, and Christmas are celebrated with great enthusiasm. Delhi also hosts unique festivals such as Full-Ulan Kisar, Festival of Flowers, and the International Mango Festival. Attire. While women still wear salwar kameez and saris, and men often wear sherwanis or kurtas, modern fashion trends are also very popular. Must-visit places. UNESCO World Heritage Sites. Delhi is home to 3 UNESCO World Heritage Sites. Qutb Minar, the world's tallest brick minaret, an excellent example of Islamic and Afghan architecture. Humayun's Tomb, a magnificent garden tomb believed to have inspired the design of the Taj Mahal. Red Fort, built by Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan, its red sandstone walls and palaces are a sight to behold. The Prime Minister hoists the national flag here every Independence Day. Other prominent attractions. India Gate, a grand war memorial dedicated to fallen soldiers. Jama Masjid, one of India's largest and most renowned mosques. Lotus Temple, a beautiful temple shaped like a lotus flower. Akshardham Temple, a massive spiritual and cultural complex. Jantar Mantar, an 18th century astronomical observatory. Lodi Garden, a beautiful park housing several 15th and 16th century monuments. Chandni Chowk, one of Delhi's oldest and busiest markets, famous for its street food and wholesale goods. Rashtrapati Bhavan, the official residence of the President of India. Delhi's development and economy. Business hub, Delhi is the largest commercial center in northern India. Transportation hub, it serves as a major railway junction for Indian Railways and houses the Indira Gandhi International Airport, one of South Asia's busiest airports. Delhi Metro, the Delhi Metro is a modern and extensive public transportation system, recognized as one of the largest metro networks globally. CNG vehicles, to combat pollution, most public transport vehicles in Delhi run on compressed natural gas CNG. Green City, despite its vast population and density, Delhi boasts significant greenery and is considered one of the greenest capital cities in the world. Delhi is truly a city where ancient history and modern development coexist seamlessly, promising a unique and enriching experience.